Somebody has spilled on your carpet or rug. You may be able to get it out yourself. The important thing is to start right away. If it's a wet spot, scrape up and blot up anything that you can before you add anything to it. Then add a small amount of carpet cleaning solution like Folex to the spot. Never use dish or laundry detergent. Don't put on too much, just enough to cover the spot, and then rub the solution down into the carpet so that soil transfers to the solution. The next step is to blot up the solution and the soil along with it with a clean absorbent terry towel. Give it 15 minutes to dry and you're done. If you have more than a few spots to clean, it's probably time to call a carpet cleaning professional like Advanced Dry Carpet Care in Sonoma County. We will clean your carpet with effective and safe cleaning chemicals. We use less water and blot up the solution with terry towels and an oscillating machine, so your carpet is dry and ready for you to use in only 2 hours. With our Host dry cleaning system, your area rug or carpet is dry and ready for you to use immediately. There's no sticky residue and spots will not reappear. This video is provided by Advanced Dry Carpet Care in the San Francisco North Bay area. We provide safe and effective cleaning for carpet, area rugs, upholstery, and tile and grout. Please leave a comment or a question below, and don't forget to like this video and share it with that kind person who hosted Thanksgiving and you spilled food on their carpet. Contact us for a free quote online at www.advanceddry.com. Call or text 707-575-0114.